Si Mike salang dyan.
Self-cooking is sabi.
Self-cooking.
Parang kay Don yan eh.
Doon yan, kay Don.
Oh, yeah, kay Don.
Don,
gising eh.
share.
That's your meat.
It's your meat.
Sure.
It sounds different,
Kaya
man.
tinirahan ni Bert ng pigaan niya, no?
Oo. Ako po, pinag-alito.
Siya may 2 piraso, sir.
Sabi ko, gisingin si Don.
Sabi kasi siya, gisingin si Don, gisingin si Don.
Oh, may light yan ah. Tulo mo kasi yung karne.
Interview?
Oh, ano masasabi mo sa ano?
Wala pa naman.
Wala pa rin, puta. Hindi na pa yan, ah.
Ay, ba naman sa iba? Nasa spotlight.
Aba, ako na naman. Oh. Ano?
Tulog.
Ano,
How's the helmet?
panisipon.
How's the helmet?
Eh, paano pag yung yung drift mo kanina?
Oh yeah, man, the road was wet. I was like leaning over, and then it just like drift, man.
Pakita mo, show.
No, I'm not gonna show that.
How you drift?
Yeah, I don't know, but it's just the road was just wet.
And you
So,
control it, right?
I was like drifting.
And then he handled it really good.
Yeah, I was like handling it really good. Like, oh, yeah, I was about to fall, but shit, man, I like went back.
Shit, man.
Yeah, the road was wet. The road was wet in there.
It was like about to start, put the gear in.
Pero nung galing tayo.
It's a microphone.
Hey, spotlight, bro.
What happened?
Spotlight. So what's
How
your
do you
answer?
feel, Ryan? How do you feel? How do you feel?
What were we talking about?
About the accident.
The accident.
Yeah. How do you feel?
I don't know, I forgot.
Show me the Scarface. Show me the Scarface.
No.
The Scarface, man, bro.
Oh.
Cheers, man.
Scarhead. Scarhead.
Cheers.
Cheers, pare.
Al Pacino.
Al Pacino.
Al Pacino.
Dry naman, no? Labi na yun.
Hindi, may basa. Nasa sa GoPro na kita.
Yeah, vlogging. Kablang.
Ano yan, for personal,
Personal, parang panoorin ko.
Personal use yan. Personal use.
Personal use.
Uso ito eh.
Yun yung ginagawa ni ni Rapi. Hindi mo pag-uuling to. Hindi na. I-move mo na lang yung mga...
Pakinggan nyo, habang uminom ko, pinapanood mo yung ride mo.